Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fit Color Street nail strips to different size nails. For example, if you have very small nails, you're not only limited to the petite selection of Color Street, you can use a large nail strip and easily fit it to your smaller nails. So I'm going to turn the camera down and show you using some tester strips because these packages come with a large nail strip and a small strip already. So I have already prepped my nails with the alcohol prep pad. I started doing this earlier and had not done that yet, had just put lotion on my hands, so I had to start over. It wasn't sticking, which is a testament to the alcohol prep pad usage. You want to make sure your nails are clean and dry. Okay, so I'm going to take this large strip and fit it to my smallest nails. I'm going to take the cellophane layer off, get rid of that, and then pull the silver tab to remove the nail strip. Remove the tab off of the nail strip because you don't need it. And then I am going to, when you have a small nail you're trying to fit a large strip on, it's easiest, you can just slap it down on there and then trim all the way around, but it's easiest if you try to place it along one side of your cuticle or of your nail so that you have one side that's lined up with the side of your nail and then the base of your cuticle. And then when you press that down, I actually got it a little low, so I'll just show you how to trim it off when it's all on the side and the bottom of your fingernail. So I'm going to remove the excess off of the end by tucking this under and perforating it. Set that down. I'm going to show you something with that piece also. So as you can see, this is all on my skin because it's too big. So what I'm going to do, you can use a wooden cuticle stick, but if you have if you're using your fingernails as a tool, you leave your thumbs for last because they are great for using as a tool. I'm going to use one of my fingernails and just very gently push the nail strip down along the side of my finger where I want it to cut. I want to make a nice curve at the base of my fingernail, and so I'm not pressing hard and I'm not going back and forth, but as I'm gently smoothing this down and tucking it into the side of my nail, my fingernail is tearing the nail strip. So just be patient and use your nail to kind of tap it down to get that nice even curve. And you can tell when it starts perforating when you start feeling your nail hit the base of this nail. So then you just take the excess and remove it off the side of your finger, and there you have it. You have a perfectly done nail with a large strip on a small nail. So along that line, if I were to take the rest of this nail strip, and this is a tip for doing your toes as well. So if you're doing your fingers and your toes and you want to take the excess from your manicure and use it on your toes, if your toenails are like mine, they're small. So say you have an excess that's kind of ripped like this because you've used it. What you do to fit it to a smaller nail, and this one's got a little bit of a bend in it. I don't know if it's gonna. There, I straightened it out. So you just want to put it down low enough where you have the cuticle area that you can shape, kind of like we did over here. It's got one little piece that's not wanting to stick down. So I've taken this larger area and I've adhered it to my smaller nail. So you can see it's just all over my finger. I'm going to remove the excess off the tip first by tucking and perforating along the edge. And then, like I did on the other side, just gently begin pushing this nail strip. And what I'm doing is I'm adhering it really well around the edges and also using my fingernail to perforate and make those clean lines. This is applicable to doing your toenails as well, because it's likely that you'll have pieces of nail strips that you're able to do several toes with. And this is the way you make it fit. This is not wanting to tuck under the top here. I probably didn't get all the lotion off of my nails when I used the prep pad. You can also wash your hands with Dawn or dishwashing liquid, and that will help get them ready for your nail strips. Okay, so I've already tucked and pressed the sides down, and I'm going to remove the excess, and you can see again, just gently using the guide of the side of your nail and pressing down will perforate this strip in a perfect cuticle shape. Voila!